That's good. Hi, this is Mario.
And this is Adeline.
Welcome back.
The Mario and Adeline in Las Vegas.
Last week I purchased my wife her first e-bike, and it's made by Murtisol. And before I bought this e-bike, I did a lot of research. So I had to get her a smaller one because for her size, it's hard to find the right size for her. Tell her, baby.
Yeah, I'm only 4'11", and I am not used to riding bike. I grew up without a bike. I started riding when I was like married already, when I had my 2 kids.
After a week of research, I saw this bike and it's a very good price. It's not cheap and it's not expensive. It's basically, they call it the foldable mountain bike. When this bike arrived, she had to practice on it because she's not familiar with an e-bike. So she had to ride it like a normal bike without using a pedal assist. Now, maybe a week before you decided to use number 1, because this one has a 3 level, 1, 2, and 3 pedal assist. So right now she's only used to 1, and she's trying to get used to number 2, because the higher you go, the faster the motor works for you.
So this is my first electric bike, so I want to go slow. I don't want to crash.
So I ordered a bike and it just arrived. So I hope this one works. So I'm going to put it together. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This one looks much better than the first one, because the first order was all messed up. So I had to ship that one. So the company sent me a new one, a new bike. I hope this one works. It looks like it because it looks better shape. We'll find out. Oh yeah. Before, the first one they shipped me everything was scattered inside and you end up scratching the bike. And this one is in better shape. I've got a feeling this one will work. Basically, this one is almost, I would say, about 90% assembled. In this order, it comes with a chair, the seat, and I know it came with its own tools. So that's what this box was for. Because the first one, this was all crushed. Okay, this must be the charger. Paddle. Oops. This is what I'm looking for right here. Okay, let's assemble one. Straightens things up there. And I think I'm gonna start with that. Go ahead and do the pedal. Well, if you get an e-bike, I suggest you charge your battery while you're assembling the bike. And that's one thing I can do. This is the key. Got the battery here. Okay. I'll go ahead and charge it anyway. Alright. This is the battery for the bike. I'll go ahead and charge it while I'm assembling the bike. Okay. Should go somewhere. There you go. Red means charge. When it's fully charged, that light's gonna turn green. Foot pedal, you gotta look for the right, and then look for the right. Alright, the next one, left. So make sure this is left. You gotta make sure you look. Sometimes these, just in case they send you the wrong one. Okay, left. It has to go left. You don't really need to tighten this too much. There you go. Nice, see, folds. Foldable. That's what's the nice thing about this. See? Called foldable bike. Alright. We got the foot pegs. Now we put the seat. Push your side, babe. Right here.
All the way down.
All the way down. Okay. Oh, don't go that low, babe.
Why?
It doesn't tighten if it's that low. It has to be
A little bit,
higher.
not too much higher.
Yeah.
Just enough that you can close it.
Yeah. Alright, basically it's almost complete. Put these brakes up. Tightening it up a little bit.
Which one?
The brakes. There we go, that's there enough. Alright, what's next? You get the pump. You need to fill up the air because there's no air. Reflector a little bit because they're loose. Because when they send you a bike, everything's not tight. The reflector. See, the first one they sent us, this was broken. It wasn't broken, it was missing a screw. This time it's intact. Alright, let's put some air. Put the 36. So you got stuff to ride. And look like you're, let me straighten this. Okay. Down a little bit. You do the same thing on the front. Make sure the all right, it's complete.
That's it?
Just gotta put the battery, and we're done. Okay, the battery. Slide it in here. Then you put it locks. Okay. Battery should be okay. Let's find this. Turn it on. You hold this. There we go. Then to power this, you hold the top for 3 seconds. There you go. Let's go try it. Oh, the light. Double tap it. Oh, there you go. Yep, it's double. Oh, one tap. Oh, that was my. It's supposed to be one tap. There you go. It's on. Show the light.
Oh, right here.
One quick tap. Shut it off.
Okay.
Do it again. It's on. Show the back too. There's also a light in the back. That one lights up. Okay. So, oh, remember that first one didn't work?
Mm-hmm.
So this one works. Okay. So this works. Okay. All we got to do is take it outside. See if it works. Ooh, it works, right? Hey, it works. Want to see how it is uphill?
No paddle? You don't hear anything?
I know it's quiet, huh?
It's so quiet. Yeah.
Man, I love this thing.
Nice.
You see me uphill?
Yes.
You can't barely feel the uphill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember how you struggle?
Yeah.
Let me try it on this one. That's the hard one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put it in level 1 so you don't crash. Because I have it in level 2. You gotta be rolling.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you gotta be rolling. So it doesn't do it standing still. You gotta roll just a little bit. So you gotta push up just a little bit. So right now we're at Floydlambpark. She's gonna do some more practice. It's a beautiful park.
I love this bike. I even put a pink basket. So the specifics of this bike: vehicle's weight is 19 kilograms. Maximum design speed is 25 kilometers per hour. Boost mileage is 50 kilometers and the load capacity is 100 kilos. So charging time is about 4 hours and it has 250 watts power. Level 1.
Okay, keep paddling. Then put it on 2. Are you paddling?
Now.
Okay, paddle.
Oh my god. Wait.
You can start on 2.
Oh no, it's so so fast. Oh my god.
See, that's 2.
Oh, that's 3.
Yeah, that's 3.
Woo! Shoot! It just shoot.
Let's see if you can start on 3. Don't drop it. Start on 3.
3, okay.
Right there. You'll see the difference. There you go. She's going to try pedal assist 3.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Oh.
Gotta keep paddling. See? That's 3. Oh, you did it. Number 3. Finally, you did it. Yeah. Number 3. Okay. Okay. See? Nice, huh? That's number 3.
But I'm not paddling, so that's why.
Now try it and paddle.
I don't want to. That's too fast.
Just try it one time. You'll see the difference. Just keep paddling. Is that number 3?
Yeah, number 3.
Paddle.
No. I don't.
There you go. See, it's easier once you go. Don't stop. If you stop, the motor stops.
That's it, guys. I learned a lot today, and I realized that riding an e-bike is super fun, but we need to be very, very careful because it's really fast, and I need more